Atlassian just revealed how they're integrating AI across their entire product suite. Here's what this means for developers and enterprises. Atlassian is positioning itself as an AI-first company. They're embedding intelligent automation into Jira, Confluence, and Bitbucket. Their strategy focuses on augmenting developer productivity rather than replacing humans. The company aims to make AI accessible to teams of all sizes, combining their existing tools with generative AI capabilities to streamline workflows. Atlassian launched intelligent issue summaries, automated code reviews, and content generation in Confluence. Their AI assistant learns team patterns to suggest better workflows. They're also investing in enterprise-grade security and compliance for AI features. These tools integrate seamlessly with existing Atlassian products, requiring this positions Atlassian competitively against Microsoft and other enterprise software giants. By integrating AI natively, they're creating stickiness in their existing user base. Atlassian's approach targets mid-market and enterprise teams, not just developers. This strategy could significantly impact how teams collaborate and ship software faster. Atlassian's AI rollout prioritizes customer feedback and responsible AI practices. They're transparent about limitations and bias mitigation. Teams using Jira and Confluence should expect AI features in their workflows soon. Early adopters report productivity gains up to 30% in sprint planning and documentation. Want to stay ahead of AI developments? Subscribe for daily tech news, hit like and comment which Atlassian tool you use most.